Now, 10th class maths, 7th chapter coordinate geometry, 4 marks important questions. Especially we are discussing exam point of view. So in this, the most concepts are, one is section formula, using section formula, and this is also important concept. Next, type of quadrilateral. Next, area of quadrilateral or area of triangle. Based on these three concepts, 4 marks questions can be asked. Okay, let us take first concept, section formula. That means, suppose A x1 y1, suppose P is a point x comma y which divides A x1 y1, B x2 y2 line segment in the ratio m is to n, then P equal, the formula is, that means what? Suppose AB are 2 points joining these two, it is a line segment. Suppose some P is a point which divides the ratio m is to n internally, then what about P? How can we find? So what is formula means? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma m by 2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay. Stop. Next, based on this, trisection points. Trisectional points means what? Trisectional points. Okay, na? Based on these two concepts, we can solve. Okay. Suppose AB is a line segment. For example, it is divided into 3 equal parts, and one is P, one is Q. So P and Q are called trisectional points because of the parts which 3 are equal. So 3 equal parts, that is called trisectional. So trisectional points are P and Q. So here P divides AB in the ratio. See, from here to here, let us take, I am taking 1 unit. Here 1 unit P into Q, and here to here 1 unit I am taking. So what about P? P divides AB, the ratio 1, P to be how much? 2. So 1 is to 2. So P divides 1 is to 2. Similarly, Q divides AB in the ratio. Let us take Q. So up to from A to Q, how many units? 2 units. From Q to B is 1 unit. So that is 2 is to 1 ratio. So trisectional points means the points which divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1. So let us take question. So 3 by 3, 4 plus 2 how much? 6 by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So what is P? 1 comma 2 is the answer. P is 1 comma 2. So we got 1 point. Next to Q. Q also, what we can write? Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So m is 2 here, n is 1, remaining same. So therefore Q equal same formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So m means what? Here m means 2. 2 into x2 means what? 7. Next plus. Next n means what? 1. Next x1 means minus 2 by m plus n means 2 plus 1. Next m again, m means 2. Next y2 means 4. Next plus n means 1. Next y1 means 1 whole by m plus n. So 2 plus 1. So which is called, now 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 3, comma 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 into 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3. 14 minus 2 how much? 12 by 3, and 8 plus 1 how much? 9 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So what is the answer? 4 comma 3. Q is. So P and Q, these are the required solutions. These are the required points of the question. So, second question. find the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 3. So March 16th question. So do as first question. The third question. Find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment of the points 2 comma minus 3, 5 comma 6. Find the intersecting point on x-axis. Okay, in these two questions we are asked. One is find in which ratio x-axis divides. First one we have to find the ratio. Second one is find the point of intersection. So solution. So given that, let I am taking first point A 2 comma minus 3, B 5 comma 6. Okay, first one taking x1 y1, x2 y2. Here a small formula, that is x-axis is mentioned. So x-axis divides AB in the ratio. This is one formula, that is called minus y1 is to y2. Okay, now x-axis divides minus y1 is to y2. If suppose y-axis we want minus x1 is to x2. So which is equal minus, what is y1? What is y1? Minus 3. Minus 3. Next is to y2. What is y2? 6. See, minus into minus plus. 3 is to 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. So x-axis divides the ratio 1 is to 2. So we got it ratio. So therefore ratio how much? 1 is to 2. So this is m, this is m. So therefore point. So what is point formula? Section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So do we have m? Yes, 1 into x2 what? x2 is 5. Next plus n means what? 2. x1 means what? 2 by m plus n. So 1 plus 2 comma next m. What is m? 1. y2. What is y2? 6. Next plus next n means 2. Next y1. y1 means minus 3 by m plus n. So 1 plus 2. 1 5 ja, 1 into 5 5 plus 2 into 2 4 by 1 plus 2 3 comma 1 into 6 6 plus 2 into minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 into 3 6 by 1 plus 2 3. So now 5 plus 4 is how much? 9 by 3 as it is comma 6 minus 6 how much? 0 by 3. So 0 by something 0, 3 3 ja. So 3 comma 0 by something 0, 3 comma 0 is the point which divides x-axis at 3 comma 0. This is the solution. We can check whether it is right or wrong. Given that find intersecting point on x-axis. On x-axis every point the y-coordinate must be 0. This is the solution. March 19th last question. See, second concept is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle. It is denoted by delta. So area of triangle can be written when the vertices are given. Vertices are given. Suppose A, B, C are given. Suppose A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3. Are the three vertices of a triangle? Then what is the area of triangle? Generally we know area of triangle means half into base into height and etc. But here the vertices are given. The area of triangle is must be half into modulus. Say first to x1 into something plus x2 into something plus x3 into something modulus. So actually x1 into something plus x2 into something plus x3 into something. Okay, this is B. So what is in the middle? Okay, see the sequence 1, 2, 3. After 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 1. Okay, now why I am saying here y minus y, y minus y, y minus y. To remember I am saying, okay, after 1 what number? 2, 2 tarvata 3. Okay, here 2 is there. After 2 what? 3. After 3 what? Not 4, 1. Okay, here 3 is there. After 3 what? 1. After 1 what? 2. So this is the area of triangle formula. Okay, now suppose, okay, let us take some questions on this. So based on area of triangle, one question. Find the area of rhombus ABCD whose vertices are A minus 1 comma 1, B 1 comma minus 2, C 3 comma 1 and D 4 comma 1. Okay na? What is rhombus? In rhombus, all sides are equal but diagonals not equal. So that I am starting A, B, C, D. Here one more point you have to remember. We should take in a order A, B, C, D. Means in symmetry, one way. Okay na? So don't write like this. A, B, C, D. This is wrong by taking vertices. This is order. Okay. Here, if you join AC or BD, anything. Let us I am taking join AC. I am joining. So how many triangles are formed? Here one triangle, here two triangles. And moreover, the two triangles are equal area. Two triangles are equal area. So if you find area of triangle ABC, that is same as area of triangle ACD. Or otherwise find the area of triangle ACD, then no need to find the second area. Okay. Suppose I am finding. So given that solution. Given that A, B, C, D I am taking. So I am taking first A minus 1 comma 1, B 1 comma minus 2, C 3 comma 1. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So here first I am finding area of triangle ABC only. Okay na? Directly we cannot find the area of rhombus. First find the area of any triangle. That is called half into formula. What is formula? x1 into something plus x2 into something plus x3 into something. In middle, y minus y, y minus y, y minus y. So suffix 1 after 1, 2, 2 after 3. Okay, after 2, 3, after 3, 1. After 3, 1, after 1, 2. This is formula. So remember I am saying like this. Okay, this is equal 1 by 2 as it is modulus x1. What is x1? Minus 1. Next start bracket y2. What is y2? Minus 2. Next what? Minus. Next y3. What is y3? 1. Okay na? Next plus. Next x2. What is x2? 1. So instead of x2, 1. Next bracket y3. What is y3? 1. Next minus. Next y1. What is y1? 1. Next plus. Next x3. What is x3? 3. Next y1. What is y1? 1. Next minus. Next y2. What is y2? Minus 2. Okay na? I am going to simplify. 1 by 2 into. So first minus 1 write as it is. First preference brackets. Okay. Minus 2 minus 1 how much? Minus 3. Both are negative terms. Total becomes minus 3 terms. Plus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 plus 3 into, see here in between minus and minus bracket is there, nothing but plus, minus into minus, sorry, nothing but into, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So 1 by 2 into, here also minus into minus, because of into is there in between, minus into minus plus 1 into 3 3, next 1 into 0 0, next plus 3 into 3 9. So 1 by 2, 3 plus 0 plus 9 how much? 12. So 2 1 ja 2 6 ja is equal to how much? 6 square units. This is the area of triangle ABC. So therefore what will be area of triangle ACD? Therefore area of triangle ACD is equal to also becomes 6 because of two equal areas. Therefore area of rhombus ABCD equal area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So which is equal 6 plus 6 is equal 12 square units. This is the solution. Okay, so very important area of triangle also. Fifth question. Same. Find area of quadrilateral ABCD whose vertices are A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6 and D 4 comma 5. So taken from June 15. How can we solve this? Quadrilateral means what? Okay, na? Four-sided closed diagram. Whether it is rhombus or square or rectangle, not mentioned. I am taking in order A, B, C, D. Okay, na? A, B, C, D. Same. Join any two diagonals. Any one diagonal. So means join any 2 points. AC I join. So how many triangles are we got? 1, 2 triangles are there. Are those 2 triangles equal? No. 2 may not be equal. So how can we find? Find separately. Find area of triangle ABC first of all. You will get some answer. Keep it. And after that similarly find the area of triangle ACD. Then you will get some answer. Add both answers. You will get area of quadrilateral. So that is the way of process. So see next question. If the area of triangle is 18 square units, whose vertices are 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2, p, minus 1, then find value of p. So taken from June 17th question. So here area of triangle is given. So given that area of triangle ABC is given that how much? 18 square units. What is the area of triangle formula? Half into x1 into plus x2 into plus x3 into is equal, here is equal to 18 is given, so continue is equal to 18. X1 into what? Y minus y, y minus y, y minus y. So after 1, 2, 2 after 3, after 2, 3, after 3, 1, after 3, 1, after 1, 2. So what are x1, y1, x2, y2? Yes. So given that A 3, 4, B minus 3, minus 2, C p, minus 1. So it is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Substitute in this and simplify, you will get the answer. Okay, see 1 by 2 is there. Okay, keep it. x1 means what? 3. y2 means what? Minus 2. Next minus. y3 means what? Minus 1. Next plus. x2 means what? Minus 3. So put in small bracket. Next bracket y3. y3 means minus 1. Next minus. Next y1. y1 means 4. So close bracket. Next plus. Next x3. What is x3? P. Start bracket. y1. What is y1? 4. Next minus y2. What is y2? Minus 2 is equal to 18. Okay, na? I'm going to simplify. 1 by 2. 3 into bracket. In bracket, see here. See here it is minus into minus. Becomes what? Plus. So it becomes minus 2 plus 1. So how much minus 2 plus 1? Subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. But here negative terms are more, so minus 1. Next plus as it is. Okay. Plus into minus, we can write minus 3. Next minus 1, minus 5. Both are negatives. So becomes what? Minus 5. Next plus p. Plus p. Bracket. Minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 2. 6. Modulus is equal to 18. So implies 1 by 2. 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 5. Plus 15. Plus p into 6. Plus 6p is equal to 18. Next 6p plus 15 minus 3. These are the variables. Keep as it is. Here number, here number. So 15 minus 3, 12. So what we can write? 1 by 2 modulus 12 plus 6p is equal 18. So 2 send right side. So 12 modulus 12 plus 6p is equal 2 into 18, 36. Okay, na? We have to remove modulus. So to remove modulus, we get 12 plus 6p is equal plus or minus 36. Plus or minus 36. So we get 12 plus, okay, so 6p equal plus or minus 36 plus 12 send right side becomes minus 12. So here again we get two conditions. One is 6p equal plus 36 minus 12 and other one is 6p equal minus 36 minus 12. How much? 6p equal 36 minus 12 how much? 24. So p equal 24 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, p equal to 4 or let's simplify this. 6p equal minus 36 minus 12 how much? Minus 48. So p equal minus 48 by 6. Okay, cancel. 6 1 ja, 6 8 ja. So p equal how much? Minus 8 is the answer. So p equal 4 or minus 8 is the solution for this question. Okay. So next question. The concept is third concept. What type of coordinator like that? Okay. Show that the points A minus 1 comma 2, B 4 comma 3, C 2 comma 5 and D minus 3 comma 0 in that order form a rectangle. So we have to show that these 4 points form a rectangle. So how is the rectangle? So June 18th question. Rectangle sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Okay na? Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. If you prove that statement, then we can say that the vertices are form a rectangle. So find out first AB distance and BC distance and CD distance and AD distance and also AC BD. So 6 distances we have to find. Okay na? So first of all A minus 1 comma 2, B 4 comma 3. So AB distance equal. What is the distance formula? X1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is called, what is x1 here? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. What is x1? Minus 1 minus x2. What is x2? 4 whole square. Next to plus, next to bracket, next y1. What is y1? 2. Next to minus, next y2. What is y2? 3 whole square is equal root of minus 1 minus 4 how much? Minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 3 how much? Minus 1 whole square. Now minus 5 whole square how much? Plus 25. Minus 1 whole square how much? Plus 1. So root 26. AB equal to what? Root 26. Similarly, what is the other side? AB got it. Next, I'm finding, okay, opposite sides we can take it. CD. C, what is C? 2 comma 5. D minus 3 comma 0. So CD equal root of same formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is equal, what is x1 here? X1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, x1 means what? 2 minus x2. What is x2? Minus 3 whole square plus y1 5 minus y2. Y2 means 0. Okay na? Question is minus 1 comma minus 2. So it is minus 2. So y1 this is minus 2. This is also minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is 25. So 25 plus 25 root 50. Okay, now come to here. Bracket minus to minus plus 2 plus 3 5 whole square plus 5 minus 0 5 whole square. 5 square value 25 plus 5 square value 25. So what we are getting? Root 50. Are both same? AB equal to CD. So we got AB equal to CD. Next more, find check AD and BC. Okay na? I'm checking AD. So what is A? Minus 1 comma minus 2. What is D? Minus 3 comma 0. So I'm finding AD distance. Root of Same. x1 minus x2. Minus 1 minus minus 3 whole square. Next. y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So minus 2 minus 0 whole square. So is equal minus 1 minus into minus plus. This is plus 3. This is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 how much? 2. And here 0 removed, only minus 2 whole square. Plus 2 whole square how much? 4. Minus 2 whole square how much? 4. So is equal root 4 plus 4 is equal to what? Root 8. So AD or DA is equal to root 8. Similarly, what is that? BC. So now first AB and CD both are equal, no problem. Next you finding AD and BC. BC. What is B? 4, 3. C 2, 5. Okay na? I'm going to find BC distance. Not writing formula. Okay na? BC means what? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Formula is what? x1 minus x2 whole square means 4 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Y1 minus y2 whole square means 3 minus 5 whole square. So is equal root 4 minus 2, 2. Having square, square. Next plus 3 minus 5 how much? Minus 2. Having square. So 2 square, 4. Minus 2 whole square, 4. Root 4 plus 4, root 8. So BC also root 8. So we got it. These two also equal. And finally we can check. We have to check AC and BD. Okay. We found sides AB, CD, AD, BC. You know, AB, CD, AD, BC. All sides are over. Now we are finding diagonals. What is diagonal? AC one diagonal, BD one diagonal. If both are equal, then it is a rectangle. So AC equal to what? Same distance formula. Taken as x1 y1, x2 y2. What is formula? x1 minus x2 whole square. Means what? Minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Next plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Means minus 2 minus 5 whole square. Is equal minus 1 minus 2 how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 whole square. Plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 whole square. So minus 3 whole square how much? 9 plus minus 7 whole square now 63. Sorry, 49. So how much it is? 54. So diagonal AC equal 54. So what is the other diagonal? BD. What is B? 4, 3. And what is D? Minus 3, 0. So BD equal same root of x1 minus x2 whole square. So 4 minus x1 x2 4 minus minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 3 minus 0 whole square. 4 minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 7 square. 3 minus 0 3 square. So root 7 square, sorry, 7 square means what? 49. 3 square means 9 is equal to root 54. Got it? Both diagonals same or not? Equal, same. So opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal. Therefore, the given points A, B, C, D are in the order form a rectangle. The solution. You know, I'm going to write solution. Therefore, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are equal. Therefore, A, B, C, D form a rectangle. The solution. 4 marks important. Last question, 8th one. P minus 3, 9, Q, A, B, and R 4, minus 5 are collinear, and A plus B equal to 1. Find A, B. Okay, na? So what are given? First statement is given that A plus B equal to 1, equation 1. So and leave it. And given that P minus 3, 9, P, Q, R are collinear. That implies what? Collinear means slope of first 2 points PQ is equal slope of QR. This is the concept. Okay, now what is slope formula? Slope denoted by m is equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So slope formula m equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so take p and q. What is p? Minus 3 comma 9. What is q? A comma b. Okay, and qr. What is q? A comma b. What is r? 4 comma minus 5. In this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay na? These are the separator. Okay na? I separately write PQ and QR because of PQ slope. Find QR slope. Okay, PQ slope formula what is y2 minus y1 means what? B minus 9 by x2 minus x1 means a minus 3. Then is equal. Next slope of QR. What is slope of QR? Same y2 minus y1 means minus 5 minus b by x2 minus x1 4 minus a. Okay, na? We have to simplify this. Doing cross multiplication. What is that? B minus 9 into 4 minus a is equal minus into minus plus. This is a plus 3 becomes. So a plus 3 into minus 5 minus b. Now b into 4, 4b. Now b into a minus ab. Okay. Next with minus 9. Minus 9 into 4 minus 36. Minus 9 into minus a plus 9a. Next is equal. Here a into minus 5 minus 5a. A into minus b minus ab. Next 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Next 3 into minus b minus 3b. Okay na? In both left hand side minus ab, right hand minus ab cancel. Okay na? Here 9a as it is. Here minus 5a send left side becomes plus 5a. And 4b is there, right as it is. And minus 3b as a send bring left side plus 3b. Okay na? It is over. Next to constants. Okay, is equal. Constant send right side. Minus 36 send right side becomes plus 36. Minus 15 as it is. 9a plus 5a becomes 14a. Plus 4b plus 3b, 7b. 36 minus 15, 21. So check it in all terms, 7 is common. In all terms, 7 is common. So it is 7 2 ja. 7 2 ja. Okay na? 7 is common. In 7 table, 7 2 ja. So 2a. 7 table, 7 1 ja. 1b is equal. In 7 table 21, 7 3 ja. So take it as equation 2. So we have here first equation a plus b equal 1. So we got second equation 2a plus b equal to 3. In this b coefficients are same. So do equation 2 minus equation 1. Of course, equation 1 minus equation 2, then also you will get same answer. Okay? Here I am doing equation 2 minus equation 1. So minus plus b minus b cancel. 2a minus a. So 2a lo nunchi 1a తీసేస్తే 1a ఉంటుంది. Is equal to 3 minus 1 2. So a equal to how much? 2. Got it, a value. And substitute a equal to in equation 1 or equation 2, anything. Suppose I am finding equation 1. So what is equation 1? A plus b equal to 1. A means what here? 2. So 2 plus b equal to 1. So b equal to 1 minus 2. So b equal minus 1. So this is the a and b values. So dear friends, this is the coordinate geometry simply. This is also very easy topic. A small concentration. Most probably focus on first of all section formula. The first concept, trisectional points, how to find. It's an important concept. Next concept is area of triangle, area of rhombus, area of quadrilateral. Those are only one concept. Second concept is over. And the third concept is what type of quadrilateral, means is it is rectangle or rhombus or square. So like that. These are the 4 marks important questions. This is the point, exam point of view. It is very useful to you. and also so please share with your friends if you like. They also will get benefits, and also please subscribe